everyone, welcome back to our channel. It's Bella here. In today's tutorial I created this makeup look for you guys. I wanted to do something a little bit more natural, a little bit more wearable, so this is the look that I created. I really hope you guys enjoy watching it. If you want to be entered in this month's giveaway, make sure that you give this video a big thumbs up, make sure that you are subscribed to our channel, hit that bell button so that you never miss a video, and then if you live in the US, go ahead and comment done down below to be automatically entered. So jumping straight into the tutorial, the first thing that I'm going to be doing is grabbing my Too Faced Born This Way Multi-Use Sculpting Concealer, and I'm just going to be using this as an eyeshadow primer, so I just put that all over my eyelid. And using a full coverage type of concealer as a primer is perfect if you have a lot of discoloration on your eyelid. It's just going to cancel all of that out and just create a really nice canvas for eyeshadow. So the eyeshadow palette that I went in with is the brand new BH Cosmetics Run Wild palette by Tina Young, and it's in 18 color eyeshadow, highlighter, and blush palette. So here you can just see the eyeshadows and the highlighters, but it also has a blush palette as well that's also connected to the eyeshadow palette, if that makes sense. And I forgot to include the clip of what the blushes look like, but I did not use them on my eyes, so that's why I didn't really show them, because I just wanted to really highlight the eyeshadow part of the palette. So the first shade that I went in with is the shade Wild Child, which is that yellowish shade, and I just put that in my crease, going in back and forth motions as my transition shade. And I found that this eyeshadow was super vibrant and beautiful, and I really love how it looked underneath the deeper shades that I went in with. So next I went into the shade Dusk, which is this coppery brown shade, and I just put that in my crease with a defined angled brush just to apply it specifically in one area. If you tend to take your eyeshadows up too far in your crease, too high up, I would highly recommend trying a defined angled brush at first and then switching to a fluffier blending brush. And I went back into that first shade Wild Child just to really blend everything out and make sure that there are no harsh lines. And then I went back into the shade Dusk and I just packed that all over my eyelid, and I feel like it just looked really beautiful, and it looks like a lot of work, but I only used 2 eyeshadows to create this look, so it's definitely a really easy look to achieve. And then for lashes, I went in with my Sofie Bella lashes, and for those of you guys that don't know, Sofie Bella is our lash brand. So if you guys want to support us, definitely check out the link in the description box down below. It'll take you to our website, and if you sign up for our emails, then you will get a 10% off code. And the lashes that I used are the style Barbados. They are very dramatic, but they just frame the eye really beautifully. And then I went into those 2 shades that we used in our crease. So first I went in with Wild Child, and then I went in with the shade Dusk. And I pretty much repeated what I did in the upper crease to the lower lash line, just so that everything's nice and uniform. And I did keep the darkness on the outer portion of my lower lash line just to open up the eye a little bit more, because we do have that brown eyeshadow all over the eyelid. So I still wanted to keep the eye nice and open. And then lastly, I just applied some lower lash mascara. And this is the finished look, guys. I really hope you enjoyed watching this tutorial. Thank you guys so much for leaving all of the amazing comments in the comment section down below. I've been reading them and they really make our day. Thank you guys so much for all of the support, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!